So we have the 4. I think it's all of them. And also comment which is which, because these two are confusing. It's kind of confusing, but I'm pretty sure this is Jenny. And I think this is like Lisa, because like in the Kelly stuff, I'm pretty sure she wore this. I don't know, like these two. So yeah. But I think this is Rosé and this is Jisoo. So now we're going to open one of these. I'm gonna open these. First I'm gonna open this one. Let's open it. This one. I can't open it. Oh, there's something inside. Okay, I'm gonna open it later. Okay, what's this? Let's see who we got. You still have to put it. You still have to build it. No. I like the color. The body is so small and everything's so big. And it doesn't make sense. Okay, I can't open it. I can't put it. I don't know how to put it. That's it. Okay, now that is fixed. I don't know if that it's good too. It's good, okay. It was actually not me. It was my mom who put it in. And I don't know who it is, but I think it's Rosé. Because it looks like Rosé. Okay, there's still one more here. I think it's an accessory. Yep, I was right. It was accessory. Hey, so fine. No, I don't think it's gonna fit. Oh, here's the hole. Yep, it's bent down. The head is not that good. Whoa. Yeah, it's so big. The shoes are so big. It looks like boots instead of shoes. Okay, I'm just put it here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it there. Actually, I'm going to put it inside. Now let's open one of these. I forgot to show it.
Okay.
Okay, I can see what it includes, but I'm just going to open it. Okay, now let's go. Hey, I don't want to ruin it. I have to. Okay. Good thing I didn't ruin it. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh yeah, that's a lot. There's hearts. Okay, it's messy now. Getting messed around. Yep, I don't know how to put it back. Yep, I don't know how to put it back. It's like that. I'm gonna open the biggest one.
No.
We got another character, which is I don't know who. I don't know who. I think it's Jisoo. Or Jenny, I don't know. Okay, this part is so hard. So hard to put. Now it's fixed. And it's so hard to put. And I think it was Jisoo. Because it looked like Jisoo, like, really. I can't stand, so I'm just lay there. Do this. Oh, we got accessories. Yeah, it's two. Actually, it's real. I'm not put it there. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one first. Yeah, it's like this. Yeah, it's so small. It can barely fit my hand. Wait. Oh, this. Wait. I think it was this. Yes. What's in here? It's so small. I don't know how to put. Oh, it's like this. Yes. This time it has no shoes. The last one has like shoes already. Yeah. It's so big. Yeah, I'm just gonna have here. The shoes are so big. Like, that's the biggest thing I ever seen. Mini shirt. That's why it doesn't have any shirt. It's so hard to put. There, finally. Now that I think of it, it looks like Jenny instead of Jisoo now.
Oh, I think so. And because of the crown.
Wait, this looks like the one what she was wearing in the music video. Do.
Okay, move
And we
on.
had the last. No, okay. Okay, I'm gonna open the other ones too. Like, they're plastic. The plastic is so annoying. I can't open them. We're just gonna make it fast also. I'm gonna be a lot more faster now. See who we got. Let's see who we got. We have Rose and Jenny there. Yep, this is Lisa. It's black hair. Oh my god, it fell. Where'd it go? Now we put it now. I think it's definitely Lisa because of the hair. It's color black.
Wait.
Now let's open in this. Actually, no. This first. The accessories. Okay, we got the shoes. Wait, it's all black. We have one more little accessory that is so little. What is this? I don't know what that is. I'm going to put the shoes. It's so small. So big. I don't know what is it. Yep, I don't know how. It's like a side piece of a shirt, I think. Okay, it's like this. We literally have all of them. And I think the last one's going to be Jesus since we have all of this tree. We have Jenny with Say and Isa. Okay, I can open it. You rolling. Okay, now I open it now. Actually, it's not me. I like pretend it's me. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it. Now we have this. This time it's like this one is the pink now. There's one more accessory. Okay, I can put it back. Yep, I can put it back. Only a little. Yeah, there. Look at the hearts. There's so many hearts inside. Okay, now I'm gonna just. Okay, now let's open this one. The last, actually, yeah, this one. Why is it so weird? The hair, so weird.
Yellow.
And gray.
See.
Finally, I can do it on my own. Okay, I don't know which is which now. Which one will do this and this? But I'm pretty sure this one's a Jenny. Now let's go open these. We kind of fixed it because it's kind of confusing right now. Okay, now I'm open this one. I'm just opening randoms. Okay, what's this? It's so small. It's a mini coat. Yeah, it's a coat. Oh, it's like this. Let's go open this one. Where the accessory, I know, not the accessory, the bees. We have another one. This time it's black. And this time this one is blue. No. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it again. There's so many. Okay, the last one. The last and final one. So small. I thought there was only one. So small. What is this? What is this? It's so small. Wait, I think it's earring. Actually, I think it's bracelet. Let me try. Nope, it's too big. I don't know what that is. Okay, this shoe is so confusing. Where the why is the shoe so big? I don't know where this is, but it's so small.
Wait.
And also I figured that it's the clothing is like this. Okay, now that's done. Okay, everything in here is done except for the cassette tapes. Okay, I'm gonna open the clear one. I really like the clear one. Okay, here now, since this have this, where you can open it. Like, yeah, no. Okay, I don't know what to do. Do I open it? Okay, now this is how you open it. Look. No.
Wait.
And let's go open it. Justin Bieber. The cassette tape for the album. We have a little. Oh no! Wow, it's gonna be so long. Then the other side. Okay, I'm opening everything. Okay, now it's open. Now it's open. Hey, this is now different. This one is like have the color, and the last one that I showed is clear. Wait, they're the same. The pictures are the same. That's pretty much it for the part 2. Wait, it's kind of long, but at least it's done. But and also these, I know which is which. I have an idea. So we have the 4. I think it's all of them. And also comment which is which, because these two are confusing. It's kind of confusing, but I'm pretty sure this is Jenny. And I think this is like Lisa, because like in the kill is not, but I'm pretty sure she wore this. I don't know, like these two. So yeah. But I think this is Rose and this is Jisoo. So yeah, but I don't know if I'm correct. So that's pretty much it for this part 2 Blackpink video. So we hope you like this. Give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!